Q&A portion for our Big Four. So to kick things off, of course, we have your questions from Charmy Joy Pagulong of Philippine Star. First up for Brent. Okay, Brent, what is something about you that most people don't know?
Siguro yung sa pagsali ko po ng PBB, para sa akin ito na yung last straw ko for showbiz. If hindi pa nag-work sa akin yung PBB, siguro complete na ako. Since yung nakailang rejections naman po kasi yung experience ko and may time na hindi na ako naniniwala na it was ever possible for me to really make it big in showbiz. Kaya yun.
Grabe no? It's so interesting kasi parang I feel like a lot of people who are at their last straws, biglang nagpo-boom yung career, just like Brent. Kaya congratulations, big winner of our collab. Thank you so much. Ito naman, our next question is for Esnir. Okay, Esnir, what is the greatest lesson that you've learned from your PBB journey?
First of all, hello po sa mga media po natin. Maraming salamat po sa effort at sa time na pagpunta po. Siguro, greatest lesson is mas naging appreciative ako dito sa bahay ni Kuya. Lalo na po sa, mas naging thankful po ako sa mga little things like, dito sa bahay ni Kuya, limited kami sa pagkain. Tapos, minsan feel namin kulang kami sa tulong, ganyan. So, mas na-appreciate ko po yung family po namin dito kasi sila po yung naging kasama ko sa outside world. Sila po yung naging kasama ko dito sa buong journey ko po dito. Yes. Kaya, ayun, na-appreciate ko yung mga kahit ano lang, kahit saging, kahit itlog, na-appreciate ko at na-appreciate ko na katabi ko sa pagtulog si Crush. Ay, charit na. Pero, ayun, I am so grateful sa mga things in life. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Grabe no, yung ginagawa ng PBB talaga. Diba? You're appreciative of the small things, you become present, right? Walang phone and everything, relationship. Kaya thank you so much, Esnir. And thank you as well to Charmy Joy of Philippine Star. Okay, ngayon naman, we would like to call on Juno Reyes of Rappler. Hi, Juno.
First for Brent, what do you think na edits na lagi ka raw nagsiselos kapag may malapit na lalaki?
Actually, kanina lang na-mention sa akin yan. Hindi ko nga alam yun eh. Wala kang ganun. Siguro, ewan, hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko masagot kasi hindi ko na talaga akong idea kung ano ginagawa. Ano bang ginagawa ko dun sa clips? Paano ba?
Nag-walk out ata.
Sure.
Oo.
Yun lang, yun ang masasabi ko.
And then this question is for Ralph. So in 2024, you starred in Zoomers and then in high school. And after your PBB set, I'm sure you'll book more roles very soon. So how did your time in the PBB house help you improve your craft of what an actor?
Well, my stay in the PBB house, grabe talaga yung naging emotional journey ko dito. And I think as an actor, it's very important to keep in touch with your emotions. And grabe, minsan sinasabi ko na nga talaga na dito ko lang talaga yung nararamdaman yung ibang emotions, like very new to me. So the fact that I'm able to feel those feelings, I'm able to process those things with the people around me, I feel like that's gonna make me even a better actor.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ms. Juno Reyes from Rappler. Okay, ngayon naman, we have questions from John Bueno of Kumakaw.com. Okay, for Brent. Okay, Brent, there were reports that you did not accept the prize from PBB and delegated it for a charity. Is there truth to that? And can you tell us why you did it?
Actually, hindi pa namin siya talaga na gagawa since wala naman sa amin. But it came about when we had the task before na yung magiging winner would be able to give 150,000 to their children charity. But then, we lost. So yung promise namin ni Mika na paglabas, bibigyan namin kami na mag-aabot ng mga 50,000 na yun. But since we became big winners, na hindi naman din namin expect, yun yung ipapamahagi namin sa akin.
Keeping the promise. I love it. Thank you so much, Brent. Okay, ngayon naman, for Ralph. When you got out of the house, did you see a lot of netizens? Or did you see that a lot of netizens were fantasizing about you? Yes. How comfortable are you with your skin? And if a project requires you to show your skin, would you be okay with it?
Well, about that, actually, yes, nakita ko yung mga edits, yung mga posts about siguro my body and the bodies of the other housemates. And I think we all can take it with a grain of salt din. Syempre, there are boundaries to everything. And as long as it's done with respect, syempre, I appreciate it also. With regards to the projects naman, you know, if it's a good project, if it's something that I really want to do and it requires also for me to show some skin, then why not? Okay.
Ready for mature rules.
Ready.
I love it, Bongga. Thank you so much, Ralph. Okay, ito naman, for Esnir. Okay. A lot of people were rooting for you and were actually expecting you to win since the very beginning. Did you feel the same way, or were you, when you were announced as runner-up, did you feel bad about it?
Yes, sa lahat ng mga nag-root po sa akin, huwag kayo mag-alala, paparod kanan ko kayong lahat. Charing. Maraming salamat po, of course. Super happy na may mga taong nagmamahal sa akin at naniniwala po sa amin ni Charlie na may panalo po namin yung big winner. Actually, ako din, yun din yung nilalaban ko talaga ever since. I've been vocal about it since day 1, day 2 dito sa bahay. Pero nung nakuha po namin yung third place, day by day, mas natatanggap ko siya at day by day, mas na-realize ko na it's not a loss for me. Na, in fact, it's a bonus na lang din sa amin na may isang LGBTQIA+ community na nagre-represent sa aming community na nakaabot ng Big Four, and it's already a big thing for me. And also, siguro, mas yung goal ko talaga dito is mag-share ng story ko, maging voice sa mga breadwinner, lalo na yung issue ko dito about my father, ganyan. So, feeling ko dun lang is panalo na talaga. And siguro din na-realize ko na yung pinakapulot ko talaga dito is hindi mo lahat makukuha, like even the top spot hindi mo makukuha, pero may makukuha kang mas more valuable dito. At ito yung growth, ito yung character namin, at of course, the story na share namin sa tao. So, yes. Thank y'all, and I'm super excited na I will step into my new chapter with so much love around me, at lalo na sa mga tao dyan. Maraming salamat, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nakita nyo sa akin, pero I will try to not make you disappoint. Yes, love y'all.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Guys, magingay naman tayo para sa mga LGBTQ.
Yes!
Mabuhay ang mga bakla!
Mabuhay ang mga bakla!
Exactly. Thank you so much, Esnir. And thank you as well to John Bueno, magcow.com. Okay, ito naman, we would like to call on Roldan Castro of Abate tonight. Showbiz Police. Okay. Ako palang magbabasa ng questions. Okay, for River. Okay. River, may mga messages or comments ka bang nabasa paglabas ng bahay ni Kuya na masasabi mong nagmarka sa'yo in a positive and negative way?
Actually, paglabas namin, I haven't had time really to scroll through social media. Sobrang busy namin the past few days. Nag-online lang ako para mag-post usually. Pero may nakita nga akong mga posts rin doon. Negatively, wala masyado. It was more of love and support. Pero nagulat talaga ako sa mga edits doon sa mga TikTok. Nagulat ako na trending pala ngayon ng gray pants. Yun lang. More of natutuwa lang ako sa mga lahat ng mga edits at mga na-clip sa buong journey namin dito.
Daddy's home. Oo, diba? Summary, yun. Thank you so much, River. Okay, ito naman, Esnir. Esnir, paano binago ng PBB ang buhay mo nung nasa outside world ka?
Wow! Sobrang binago niya talaga, like 360. Ganon yung pagbago ng buhay namin. Of course, mas nag-open yung mga doors for opportunities para sa akin at para sa pamilya ko. At the same time, nung pumasok ako dito, parang wala pa akong strength talaga masyado. At nung paglabas ko, masasabi ko na strong na ako since napagdaanan na namin dito sa bahay yung mga iba't ibang hamon ni Kuya. Kaya marunong na akong tumanggap ng mga criticism at the same time mga love from the people. Kaya ayun, yun po siguro yung financially, sana. Pero yes, I think naman makakatulong naman siya. I'm really, really grateful na naging parte po ako ng show na to, ng PBB journey na to. Kasi hindi ko na talaga alam anong plano ko kung wala ako. Kaya super happy po ako sa mga nangyayari sa buhay na. At sana walang mag-evil eye.
Yes! Thank you so much, Esnir. Marami ng projects na kumakanta. Feel ko.
Stay, ano lang.
Damn it. Thank you so much, Esnir. Okay, ito naman for Ralph. Okay, ngayong lumabas ka na sa PBB House, are you still in touch with AC? And kumusta na kayo?
Oh, yes. Actually, kanina magkasama lang kami with all the housemates. And yes, we still keep in touch. We were able to catch up a few times. And syempre, there's still a lot more to debrief about. There's still a lot more to talk about. And syempre, we're just enjoying each other's company.
Thanks so much, Ralph. Okay, last but not least for Brent. Okay, Brent, isa ka sa pagpipilian sa recent MMFF launching? Ano ang feeling mo para sa mainit na pagtanggap ng mga tao sa iyo ngayon? Wala ko pa ang pagkaiba kumpara noon.
Grabe yung experience niya, parang fever to me. Like, I didn't expect na ganun marami mag-show up, hindi lang para sa amin lahat. Kasi before, pag nag-show ako, siguro may ilan na, siguro 20 people show up, but now, hindi ko mabilang, hundreds talaga, if not thousands of people showed up for us. Kaya, hopefully, di matapos yung ganung pakiramdam na I'm always gonna be grateful every time na it happens. But I'm sure yung love na nabigay na sa amin, susukuyan ko talaga yun. Hindi ko titigil magtrabaho ng mabuti. Mas magiging mabait pa ako, mas magiging humble.
Thank you so much, Brett. And grabe, we actually have here big news for all of us here. Okay, trending in the Philippines right now, number 6 is Brett Takes the Spotlight. Number 13, Ralph on Spotlight. And 18 is Star Magic Spotlight River. Congratulations, guys. Yes, trending. Kanina din, si Bianca trending din siya sa Philippines. Thank you guys so much for watching us, Team Bahay. Okay, and thank you so much to Roland Castro of Abante Tonight, Showbiz Police, and Marisol Academy tonight for your questions. Ngayon naman, okay, Gia Bote of When in Manila has her questions. Hi, Gia.
Hello.